some national stories coming in. Delhi is currently breathing the most polluted air in the country. The capital topped the pollution charts again, with the air quality index shooting to around 320, firmly in the red zone on Friday, and the situation has in fact worsened further today. Close behind are NCR cities, Ghaziabad and Noida, all in the hazardous range at the moment. Nearly 30 of Delhi's 38 monitoring stations show dangerous pollution levels, driven mainly by PM 2.5 levels. Anand Vihar logged 661 and AQI, which is in the hazardous range, while Noida logged 801, Faridabad at 645 and Gurgaon at 418. Such are the conditions that we are living in at the moment. Government data shows farm fire smoke contributed about 9% to Delhi's pollution till yesterday, but that could jump to around 30% today and also on Sunday. Satellite images picked up 350 farm fires in Punjab, a few dozen in Haryana and about 200 in Uttar Pradesh. Vehicle emissions are also adding fuel to the smog, set to account for around 15% of the pollution. Forecasts warn that Delhi's air will stay in the very poor category for the next few days also, meaning breathing easy is not happening for Delhiites anytime soon.
Delhi, a national capital region, continues to remain blanketed in smog, and if I talk about the overall air quality index recorded this morning, then it's above 300, which falls under a very poor category. Behind me you can see it's the Akshardham temple, and the visibility is quite low. The structural of Akshardham temple is not clearly visible. It seems like the entire city is shrouded in a thick layer of pollution. Also, if I talk about the other side, then here the traffic rush is quite low, but we can clearly see in the visual that the headlights of these vehicles are turned on because of the low visibility. Also, if I talk about the reason behind the spiking pollution rate in Delhi and NCR, then there are three major reasons. That is, number one, the dipping temperature as winter has already kicked in. Number two is low wind speed, and three, which is a major contributor, is the stubble burning in the neighboring states like Uttar Pradesh, Punjab, which is continuously spiking the pollution level in Delhi and NCR. Also, health experts have advised people to stay indoor as much as possible, avoid morning walk, because this is not only hazardous for people who are already facing respiratory illness, but it's equally detrimental for people having healthy lungs. Also, if I talk about 3 days back on Wednesday, according to CPCB, that is Central Pollution Control Board, and Delhi government, they clearly stated that this is the lowest air quality index that has been recorded this November. That is, it was falling at 202, but then again the air quality continued to deteriorate further, and now the overall air quality, which is above 300, is very harmful for people in Delhi and NCR.